Let's take a look at Bolt's new passive start feature and electronic precision shifter. The Bolt is equipped with a passive start feature, which means you don't have to press a button or turn a key to turn on the Bolt. When getting in the Bolt with the key fob, you simply tap the brake pedal or close the door, and the Bolt will power on automatically and be ready to drive. You will also notice the electronic precision shifter is located here on the right side of the steering column. The selected position P for park is illuminated in red on the shift lever as well as on the driver information center screen. To shift into reverse, press the brake pedal and pull the lever towards you and up. The R is now illuminated on the shift lever as well as your driver information center screen. Similarly, to shift into drive, press the brake pedal and pull the lever towards you and down. For neutral, like when going through an automatic car wash, press the brake pedal and pull the lever towards you and hold briefly. When you have completed your drive, to shift into park, press the P button at the end of the lever. After unbuckling your seatbelt and opening the door, your Bolt automatically powers off. One additional reminder, if you get in the Bolt and power it on, but never shift into any gear, the Bolt will not automatically power off when opening the door. Please use the manual off button at the top of the screen.